My name is Aryan Singh and I'm from class 10.
My name is Tak Sahani. I am in class 4A.
My name is Behananand. I study in class 4A. My name is Shivamra Sharma. I am a student of class 8A. My name is Devanshu Chatterjee.
I'm a student of ASTROPATHSHALA,
A space science learning program. In this program, we learned many things about the terrestrial bodies and the outer space bodies that is present in the space. And we also learned about the Earth, Mars, Jupiter. We also observed the craters of the moon.
We have learned about crater and we have done an example how the crater had been made in the moon.
So, do you know the distance between the Earth and the Sun? It's one astronomical unit, 15 crore kilometers. So, I was more interested about the Sun. I learned about it in Aditya program. So, I'm gonna tell you about Sun today. So, Sun is a daylight star and it glows in the daylight. So, do you know how the Sun produces its light? I will tell you. So, when the two hydrogen atoms combine together, it forms helium atom, and that's how the Sun produces light. And this process is known as fusion, nuclear fusion. And we observe the Sun by help of this telescope that we made by our own. This telescope type is refractor telescope. This is the big lens and this is the small lens. This gathers a light and this reflects the light and show the things far away from us. We can see things like moons, Saturn and Jupiter, etc.
This telescope is known as 150 mm Newtonian telescope. This was invented by Isaac Newton. It has two mirrors, namely this one is the primary mirror and this one is the secondary mirror. The primary mirror is a parabolic mirror and the secondary mirror is the plane mirror. This is known as the finder scope,
through which we can point objects, and this is the eyepiece. We can put eyepiece in this and we have to tighten it. So through this eyepiece we can see our objects more clearly. Then we can also adjust focal length. Its focal length is 900 mm and its size is 150 mm. And we also get a program hydro-rocketry competition, and that was the competition in that
The other school had come to our school to compete with us, and at the last when we have the competition in our school between the schools, the SEM had won the match.
Okay, so a lot of time we used to observe the things from the telescope, but there is a curious question in my mind. You will tell me, like, who was the inventor of very first telescope?
No sir, I want to interrupt. The two children who work in the shop of Hans Lippershey, during their play, with the help of the lenses, they just adjusted like that and they accidentally made a telescope.
Okay, so we got to know that the two children actually invented the telescope. Yes, you are right. Not the Hans Lippershey. The credit should goes to be those two children who invented the very first telescope.
Yes.
So we at ASTROPATHSHALA act as a bridge between the conventional education of the school and we connect all the students to the space education. So through the ASTROPATHSHALA, we are trying to implement the space education in the school education system. We are inspiring them to join, to actively part in this amazing sector, and probably they can become some future scientists. So it is our initiative to inspire them and to take them from this conventional education to the new heights in this space. So are you enjoying the ASTROPATHSHALA?
Yes, sir.